So today I learned something very interesting to make my English very fluent and natural to speak. So today I learned 5 idiom to make my English very smooth, easy to speak, and I thought I should be share them to all of you. So I'm going to share whatever I learned today. So the first one is a piece of cake. Something is very easy to do. I'm take one example. The text was a piece of cake for me. So when we use this idiom, when it is very easy to doing something not difficult at all. And second one is under the weather. This is a idioms when we use when we are little bit sick, not serious. Like I take one example, I am feeling under the weather. It's not serious illness, little bit uneasy feel. And the third one is hits the book. When we use these idioms, when we start studying seriously, like I have an tomorrow exam, so I need to hits the book. Students often use these idioms when exam are near. And another one is I'm all ears. It means I'm very interested to listening, or I am carefully to listen whatever you say. It's not mean to real ears. It's a paying attention whatever speaker said. Okay, so I am giving one example. I have a very interesting news. So then someone said, oh really, I am all ears, please said. And the last one is head over the heel. It's a mean express feeling to someone. I'm pretty sure if you are watching movies and song, you must be heard this one. It's a very famous and very popular idioms to express feeling to someone. So this is today's learning, whatever I learned today. So this time I wrapped up English journey wrapped off. This is also a idioms. So I learned today, and I will be meet another video. Okay, take care and bye.